Hello everybody, how are you? It's been a while actually since I've uploaded a video. A lot's been happening. I want to start off by saying to everyone that's subscribed and loves my content, thank you very much. I don't do it for money, I just do it for the passion. But I wanted to just get on here and say that I'll be shifting my channel. I'll be sort of changing a bit of direction, and there's a reason for that, and I'll go into that now. So last year I actually grew a lot of pepper plants, and I had a good haul, but I didn't even record anything. I actually got into a relationship with someone. I'm not going to name them for their privacy, but got into a relationship with someone April last year. Obviously, you know, when the relationship was, for me, it went really well, but fortunately in January, she decided to leave me, discard me. I respect that. I wish her well. But as a result of that, for those that haven't seen my previous videos, yes, I have lost weight. I've lost 60 pounds, 30 kilos. But I've also purchased my first home, something that I'm really proud of. And in 4 weeks' time, I'll be bringing home a puppy. So I'll be moving into my new place with my little puppy Badjo. And don't get me wrong, I still love my chili peppers. I will still grow the odd 1 or 2 plants in my new home. But I think for me, I'm going to shift sort of Frankie's fire. The flame is not burnt out. It's definitely not burnt out. It's just burning at a different intensity. So my new channel is going to be the adventures of Frank and Badjo, and I'm just going to blog all the adventures that I go on with my dog. You know what, I'll probably still will throw in the occasional hot pepper recipe or food recipe, because food is very big in my culture. But just wanted to get on here and update you. It's been such a long time. Life always gets in the way, and well, I'm not going to say love, I'll say false love often distracts us. So unfortunately, yeah, things didn't work out the way I wanted, but I'm glad things did work out the way they did. Otherwise I wouldn't be here. I wouldn't have lost the weight, wouldn't have got my own place, and wouldn't have got a little puppy. So I'm actually going to close this video out by showing you a few photos of Puppy, and you'll notice that the channel will be rebranding visually as well. But I just can't wait for you to meet him and join us on our adventures. So until then, I'll see you same Frankie time, same Frankie channel.